Hello, Wilmington City Schools students and families. This is your Superintendent, Mindy McCarty-Stewart, here to welcome you to the new school year. I would like to welcome all our students, whether you're in a virtual classroom or the in-person classroom. All of us at Wilmington are here to support you. I want to thank you for your participation in the surveys, the Google Meets, and orientations. I appreciate how much all of you have respected every new process we have put into place to protect each other. I also appreciate your patience and understanding as we develop the many layers in our plans to open up school in different ways. We have such great families and students. Your principals, your teachers, your bus drivers, the maintenance staff, the administrators, support staff, custodians, your secretaries, and your cooks have all worked so hard this summer to prepare for the new school year. We have deeply missed our students and the joy that they bring to our schools each day. Our staff is ready to begin a new journey with all of you as we adapt and learn in this new environment. As we open our doors in person and virtually, we will continue to work hard to answer all of your questions. I will continue to work closely with the health and safety experts to make daily decisions that are in the best interest of our students, our staff, and our community. I will also continue to do what I can to communicate closely with all of you as we monitor the public health of our schools. The Wilmington School team is ready to greet you, create a fun and meaningful experience for our students. Together, we are Hurricane Strong.